Okay, today's video is brought to you by Car Not Starting. We're gonna remove these, so it looks like those bolts are the thing in reverse on this side. Got a little peak. Okay, same deal here. 1, 2, and then these bolts here. 1, 2, 3, 4 with this older bolt. So removing the hoses, get and the bottom hoses, top hoses and the bottom hoses. Left one, left two. We have some exposed ground wires here.